You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this town, or is it a small city in the province of Salta in Argentina, around the Calchaquí Valley, famous for its wine production in particular. So the Spanish pronunciation from Spain, like Spanish, would be Cafayate, okay? But the Argentinians pronounce the Y as well as double L a bit differently. So in Argentina, they say it as Cafayate, okay? J with a J sound, which is kind of in between a J and or G sound and a SH or sh sound. Cafayate. Cafayate would be the Argentine pronunciation, so the town of Cafayate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.